So you want to spend a day outside in the winter and you're not really sure what to wear and what to bring? In this video I would like to share with you my go-to essentials when it comes to hiking in winter. The key for a winter hike is to stay warm enough without sweating too much. Therefore I use a common layering system. As a base layer for my upper body, I like to wear a tight fitting shirt made of synthetic material which helps wick away the moisture from my body. For the next layer, I'd like to wear a thick hoodie that traps heat around my body. For the same reason as the base layer on my upper body, I also like to wear something synthetic and skin tight on my legs, like those thermal leggings here. It is important to keep your toes warm, and I like to do that with a pair of good old ski socks made of synthetic material or also merino wool. When it comes to socks, it is important that you have enough space in your shoe, because if you wear really thick socks then you have no air pillow between your sock and your shoe, and like that you will be cold. The shoes I'm wearing depend on what I do. If I just go out on an easy hike, I wear a warm and waterproof boot which has enough grip that I don't slip. What I wear over my thermal leggings also depends what I'm doing. If I just go out for a hike, I just wear normal hiking pants, but if it could get wet and snowy, then it's best to wear some snow pants. It is all fun and games if the sun is shining and you're hiking, but especially if I take a break or the weather is changing, I'm always bringing a top layer like this down jacket here. This also saves more heat around my body, and the really important thing is that it keeps the wind away.
Nice and toasty.
Nice and toasty. So to wrap it up, it's one base layer to wick away moisture, one extra layer just to keep you warm, and then top it off with a wind and waterproof layer, and you should be fine. One thing you can forget really easy are the gloves, so I just bring two pairs mostly. One really thick one if it gets snowy and cold, but if I'm hiking and the weather is good, then I'm happy with those thin ones. And to keep your head warm, obviously, just bring a hat. Or if you don't like the color, just bring another hat. Or another one. How about that? Yeah, you get it. I got a lot of hats. That's basically what I wanted to prove. Alright, now that we have all the clothes that we need, there are a few more things that I would recommend you to take out if you go for a hike in winter. As always, it is important to stay hydrated, so bring enough water. And if you are willing to carry some more weight, it could be very handy to bring a thermal bottle with some tea, so you can warm up during a break. I always like to bring some foods which give you fast energy. Good things to bring are chocolate, fruits like apples, or the classical sandwich.
Never forget the snacks.
Especially on a nice day in the mountains, it is important that you also protect yourself against the sun. So therefore make sure you don't forget your sunglasses. And very important, bring sunscreen.
Don't forget about the sunscreen!
I'm going crazy. Always bring sunscreen, because you're high up in the mountains, you don't feel your skin getting burned, and then you get home in the evening and you glow like a light bulb, and that's when you've done something wrong. So bring the sunscreen. Alright, now you're almost ready for your winter hike, but before you go, make sure that you inform yourself about the area you're planning to visit. There are hazards like avalanches or slipping on ice and stuff like that can happen, so just be prepared. Also check the weather forecast, because you don't want to get caught in a snowstorm. I hope you have a very nice winter hike. Stay warm, stay dry, and stay safe. For more inspiration for outdoor adventures and tips, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, I'm very happy if you leave a thumbs up. See you soon, hopefully. Goodbye.